Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dorothea and I'm a digital artist working for animation industry as a character and background designer. Most of the time I'm working for indie studios, creating some characters and environments for the short films and animated series, and now I'm ready to update my portfolio. I still love working on smaller projects and animated series, but I really want to explore myself as a visual development artist on future films. And I realized that for this, I need to build a completely new portfolio, a visual development portfolio. I have my own website on Squarespace with my current art, so you can check out my portfolio or at least follow my progress if you like. I will leave the link in the description below, so feel free to take a look. I think about a month ago I had a mentorship session with Tori Polska and she gave me really valuable feedback about all my works, my portfolio, website and my future path at all, and I'm really grateful for that. It was priceless, honestly. So that's when I realized that if I'd like to work on a feature animation in the future, I need to learn now. So I found a course, a VISDEV course by Yuki Demers. I think the full title is VISDEV Fundamentals with Yuki Demers. It's a recorded course that was originally taught online in 2024, so now I have the full access to the materials but without direct feedback from the instructor. No feedback, that means I have to rely on myself and figure things out on my own. But you know, now I really feel full of motivation and energy, and I'm really excited to learn something new, especially something that I truly enjoy. And that is why I'm going to share my journey here on YouTube, showing my step-by-step process, my work, my growth, and honestly, this is a pure joy for me because I'm a very planning-oriented person. I love structured plans and to-do lists, so yes, I'm crazy. Since this course involves creating your own project, I decided to choose a theme that is both familiar and timeless, but with a twist, something that people can easily recognize but still feel fresh and new. And I chose Greek mythology. I actually studied mythology back in university, and honestly, Greek mythology is something that you listen to like it's a movie with a popcorn. When you choose a well-known theme, it's very important to add an interesting twist, something that makes your version unique. So I decided to make Medusa the main character, but she goes to the modern high school. Ancient Greek mythology meets the modern world. So the project is called Olympus High Medusa. My main inspiration was the movie Onward, because I'm really fascinated by designing everyday objects for the characters, but with a creative twist. And you know, I also love exploring how worlds are built at all. For example, in B-movie, in Zootopia, all those little details that make the world feel alive and real. And I really couldn't start my project without designing my main character first. It's really important to see the character you're building the world for. I really didn't want to borrow some already existing character. I wanted to create my own. Let me know in the comments if you like my main character. In mythology, Medusa was originally a human, but this is my own interpretation. For visual interest, she already has snakes on her head from the start, but they're completely safe. Otherwise, going to school without a head would be complicated. For the first lecture, we had to design a prop for the character. So I decided to start with something simple and relatable for a teenager, like a lunchbox. So it's also a great way to explore style, color, shape on a smaller scale. I spent a lot of time searching for references, looking for brick paintings, base designs, and I also realized that there aren't that many base forms for lunchboxes, so the challenge is to make it both interesting and functional. I experimented with shapes and colors and ended up choosing this design. I started with quick sketches in Procreate, as I usually do, and once I selected the final idea, I moved to Photoshop and worked on a larger screen, like my final result. I used the vacuum syntax for this. And even then, I simplified the design even more because prop shouldn't feel visually overloaded or steal too much attention. And next, I'm trying to present the prop properly on the canvas, like it should be done in a real studio setting with notes and details. And for now, I like how it looks, but I wouldn't be surprised if by the end of the course, I will want to adjust some details, maybe add something, so anything is possible. The goal is to make the whole project feel cohesive. But for now, we move on. For the next week, I saw that we'll be doing some vehicle designs, but I'm not sure what type of vehicle I will be doing for my project, so let's watch lecture first. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay with me if you're really passionate about art as I am. Please leave some comments if you'd like to support me, support my channel. I would really appreciate this. And see you next time in the next video.